Look at this. It's alright, isn't it?
Now, if you're wondering what this is, it's a box that I built for 100 quid, which turns my van into a cosy camper where I can spend weekends with my possessed dog. Brilliant. To show you just how great this box is, I've decided to go to Wales for the weekend and spend it in a field. Great.
So, since the viral video, I've had loads of people ask me, Matt, can you show me that box works in a real life camping situation? So I guess I'll just show you then.
So first off, those seats need to be folded down, which is easy.
Well, that's good, isn't it? I suppose I better show you this really, hadn't I? So in here, this is pretty nifty. This is a bit of a nifty bit of kit. This is pretty strong. I've got El Sleeping Bagos, got them from Spain. Spare El Sleeping Bag, that one's not from Spain. Pillows, windscreen covers, mattress, get it out. Put it somewhere. Like that. Right, then you've got to lift this.
And unlift it until it's unlifted. And as always with my builds, there's loads of storage for stuff and things. And then just fold this bit out. Easy.
Brilliant. It's really easy, this. There you go, look, bosh. And then all you've got to do, hook that bad boy in there like that. And then do the same over here, like that. That's a bit high, that one. There you go, look. Like that, and then a little bit of a tweak in that one. So I'll just hook them in there, look. And then I hook in that little hole there. You can just get to that stuff if you need it, so that's good. And then dog bed for the dog.
So as you can see, I've turned the box into a bed by making it into a bed. It took me about 10 minutes longer than it should have done to put the bed sheet on, but there we are. Now it's up to you whether you have a duvet or sleeping bags, but my girlfriend won't touch me or come near me, so 2 single sleeping bags for us.
Then, if you want to put stuff in here you don't really need, then put stuff in there that you don't really need. Get off.
I always just take my pillows from home because they're comfy and I'm old and my neck hurts all the time and I don't fancy being crippled for the next 3 days. Then take out the van condom and spend the next 40 minutes arguing with it.
The worst part is I'm not even joking. This is how I. God's sake, stupid.
I can't be the only one that has a nightmare putting these things on, surely.
Ridiculous.
I know this is a pain in the arse, but it's imperative that the van Johnny is fitted correctly and that the van is fully protected at all times.
Oh, good. I'll pick that up then, shall I? Yeah, but Matt, how do you keep everything so organised? Well, I've got these organisers that organise stuff.
What's that? Oh yeah, the box also does sofa mode.
The box that keeps on giving.
So it didn't really take that long until I got bored and decided to have a wander about the campsite for a bit. Straight and go outdoors. Yeah, I'll have everything, please. Then I found a tent and a bus that sold pizza. So I bought some pizza from a bus and then sat in a tent. Oh yeah, and I had a beer as well. But then all that excitement made me tired, so I went back to the van, put it in night mode, got cozy and decided to get some rest. Well, at least the toilet blocks were like a million miles away, so that's good, isn't it?
Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Matt, what about if your wife finds out you've taken your girlfriend camping and you need to pack this thing away and get gone sharpish? I'll show you just how easy it is.
So to pack the van away, you just do the same as if you were setting it up, but backwards. I'll speed this up so that you don't die of boredom. Copyright wouldn't let me play the Benny Hill theme tune, so I'll just find something similar. Yeah, see you later then. Me again. YouTube says if the video is not 8 minutes long, they don't pay me any money. So here's some footage that didn't make it to the edit.